guys, how about a movingly awesome cow? Why not? Just be silly today, right? This one's going to be fairly simple, so even the little ones should be able to join in if you want them to. So you need something to draw with, eraser, of course, permanent marker if you like to trace your pencil lines like I do, and something to color with. Whatever works. I'm just using copy paper. You guys use things you have around your house. So we are going to start with his mouth, snout, nose-ish area, whatever we want to call that. And it is going to be a basic rectangle with curved corners, just like that. Then we're going to add a curved, almost like a U up underneath it. And how about the nostrils? So 2 ovals, all right? Next, and I kind of should have brought that up a little bit more. Okay, next we're gonna do a little bit of a diagonal. It's not quite straight, not really super diagonal, a little curved. But then what's going to happen is we're going to add a major frowny face line, okay? So, curve back around like that. Sort of almost looks like a light bulb, if you think about it. And I may come out a little too far on that side, but that's okay. Now, we could add a little patch of hair on top, right? Why not? So that's a zigzag all the way around. For the ears, it's going to be a curve flip, curve flip. We are making this symmetrical, so that means that it's the same or similar on both sides. Now from here, we're going to do the bottom of the ears, just like that. Now, right here, we're going to go from, we're going to make 2 lines that come in and then curve down, okay? So it's going to start at the top of the ear, curve down, start at the top of the ear, and curve down, just like that, okay? Then in here is where the eye is going to be, and it's going to be just below the bottom of the ear. So we can keep it super simple and just make them ovals. The hardest part is getting them the same size, but I wouldn't even stress about them being the same size. I am 99% positive one of my eyes is a little smaller than the other. So we're not even going to worry about it. Circle inside the eyes. And of course, if you want to add some shines in the eyes, we could totally put some little circles inside the circles, right? Then we just need the body. So curve down, and then of course some cows have spots. Now if I was a little more educated in the cow area, I could tell you which ones have spots and which ones don't, but I don't really know. So that is a future test for myself, I guess I could say. Okay, now we could use markers, crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels. You could even paint your cow. Why not, right? I might have to do that. I might have to turn this into a painting one day. I'm going to use a black marker because that's what I have. And I am going to get this filled in back and forth, nice smooth lines that go all the way across. Okay, just like that. Ta-da! There we go. Now, it could be super duper cute to make your cow all colorful, right? That could be really fun to make your cow have colorful spots instead of be black and white. It's up to you how you want to go about doing that, because this is your art and there's no wrong answer. I always remind my students that there is no wrong answer when it comes to your art because it is your art. I could even do the 2 sides of the face. black as well. There we go. Just like that. Same thing. Line, line, line. Nice and smooth. Right? New. There we go. Ta-da! And same thing over here. I am holding my marker a little bit different like that. Just, it makes it a little bit easier to use the whole side of the tip when we are trying to color something in, okay? And by using the whole side of the tip, I'm able, Grandpa calls her that, I'm able to oh my gosh, color in bigger chunks of space faster by using the side of the tip. And then we have colored spots, fill those in, just like that. See how nice and fast and smooth it goes? But again, you can use whatever you have or whatever you like to use. You might have all kinds of art supplies, but I guarantee you have a favorite. There we go. And you know what? I might want to color these in black as well. These nostrils, the better to smell you with, my dear. We could do some brown eyes. I have brown eyes. I always wanted green eyes. I don't know why. I think because you don't, really a lot of people don't have green eyes if you think about it. And I might color all of this in pink, like that. There we go. And kind of go around and around. So, being in Oklahoma, you actually see lots and lots of cows. So you would think I was a little bit more educated on that. Well, you don't see lots and lots. I take that back. Only when you're out on a country drive. Or you go to Braums, their home base, right? But no, when you go on a country drive, you're more likely to see them. Not in the cities. We don't have cows everywhere. There we go. I forget where I'm even getting with this at. Why I was even saying that. Okay, back and forth. There we go. There. Okay, so we got the cow finished, and then I was thinking just for fun, I would just kind of do some random colors in the background. Just because, like, why not, right? What's this? Red violet. Some red violet in there. And kind of overlap the colors. I just have to be careful when I get next to the cow. The black part doesn't matter as much as the white part. I don't want to color the white part of the cow with my crayon, being crazy. Getting all the colors in there. There we go. And then I might do, what's this one? That's just violet. What's this one? Blue violet? Maybe. Beautiful. I like both of those. So we'll do some blue violet. There we go. Awesome. So we get that in there. And I might even throw some Beautiful. That is like a darker blue, which is fun. Have you guys ever read the crayon colors? There are some really fun names of crayon colors. Now I have to be careful with the blue next to the orange, because if they mix, even though it's just crayons, it could take on a little bit of a brown fill, and I'm not really going for that. There we go. Maybe I need something, maybe like some yellow. Get some brightness in there with my orange. That's a safe color to go with since you get orange from yellow and red. That is a safe color to go with next to the orange. You always got to be thoughtful about what colors you put next to each other, or you might wind up with brown or like a muddy mess. So you got to be thoughtful always. There we go. I love it. I love, love, love it. Super easy, super simple. Like I said, even the little ones could probably do this. You might have to do a little hand over hand with them, but I know that you can help them, and I know that they'll be successful because I believe in you. And so as long as you believe in you, you're going to be great. Remember, you always trust the process of art. There's always steps to follow, and as long as you follow those steps, and take some deep breaths in the process, you're going to have a great result and you're going to have a lot of fun. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. Please like and share and subscribe, all that awesome social media stuff. And I would love to see your artwork. So make sure and tag Artsy Rose. Thanks guys, and have a great day. And I cannot wait to do some more art with you.